Christmas to me is so magical, and one of my favorite Christmas themes is the whimsy of it all. You got your gingerbreads, your peppermints, your candy canes, all the red, white, and green, the sparkles, the bows. It's just so beautiful and so fun. It brings out the kid in all of us, and I'm going to show you how to make this whimsical little floral arrangement. So join me. Let's have some fun.
We are going to be taking this snowman basket I've had for years, and we're going to make a really lovely arrangement. I stuffed some of that packing paper that you get at Amazon in here just because I don't have that much floral foam, so this will help cut back on that. And I'm going to take, 2 pieces of floral foam, and we're going to pop them in here like so. I got 4 of these like pine stems, evergreen stems from Hobby Lobby. They're 50% off of $2.99. So that was like $1.50 a piece. And we're going to use these as fillers. But first, let me take these stickers off. I always forget to do that. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to fluff them up a little bit. But I'm going to leave 2 of them with this side down flat for now, because I am going to place these in between the foam things to come out this way. So let's just kind of take 2 of these and push these 2 back for now. I'm going to take the foam, I'm going to split it in half and kind of lay this in the middle, like so. Okay, maybe we want to make it a little bit tighter. Okay, there we go. Okay, so I'm just going to lay them in the foam like so. You could add as much or as little as you want. But I just want to have that nice little base, and I'm going to do that on the other side as well. Okay, so now you have this, and then you could just kind of fluff it up however you want. Now I think more of this green is going to show than I care for, so I'm going to go grab some Spanish moss and fill that in. I actually found some of this shredded paper, so maybe we'll try using this. Just going to kind of, yeah, put that in there a little bit. Like that. It's not going to be perfect, but I can work with it. Then I'm going to fluff up these 2. There's one. I'm going to stick one back here. I'm going to take the other one and do the same. That gives us a nice filler. Now this is where the fun begins. I have so many picks and so many things lying around from years of gone by of like projects and stuff, so we're going to have some fun and make this a nice kind of decorated basket. And let me grab some of the stuff I'm going to use. So this is an ornament I got at Walmart. It was an extra large ornament. But she's very heavy, and this is a pick I've had forever. So what I did was I just glued this ornament to this pick so that I can kind of stick it in here and get a look. There we go. See if I could get the camera to stay there. I also got this at Hobby Lobby years ago. My kids are my best cookie tasters. Got some glue in there. So I want to kind of incorporate this sign in here somewhere. Kind of like that. I don't know if I want to necessarily glue it in. I not, I might. Maybe I'll glue it in just to kind of keep it from falling out. So let's add some glue to the bottom of this. Okay. Just a little line of glue here. Help it stick a little bit. Alright. Oh, it's not falling out. Do we like the position so far? Yeah, I think so. That looks good. So we got our main components on here. Our gingerbread, the cobwebs of the glue that are going to drive my Virgo nature nuts, and my sign. But we're not done yet. No, we're not. Like I said, I have so many fun random picks. This was actually in a floral arrangement. This was in a floral arrangement. Save those picks. I got these little picks from Michael's a couple years ago. And these, God, these are ancient. These are so old, but they're still in good shape. So we're going to use these in my design. What I'd like to do is maybe put a gingy over here. And maybe we'll take this and kind of, let me see here. Maybe put him there along with the big candy cane. We'll put a big candy cane over here as well. What do we think? We'll take another one of these candy canes. And we'll stick that one in. Maybe we'll stick that in behind here. You gotta play with it and see. I did mess around with it beforehand and took a picture. And then we can always take some of these smaller picks here. And just kind of put some colors over here, like that. And then maybe we stick, one here, and then maybe another one in here. Just want to try to get it in some of the foam. Yeah, the foam. So look at how nice that's coming. This looks a little grungy. I don't know. We'll leave it in there for now. But, I mean, how long did that take to do? Get yourself a bunch of picks, a nice basket. We're going to add a ribbon to this. We're not going to do that today because I'm not the best ribbon maker, so I have to actually, there's a method to my madness for that. But let's see if there's anything else I can add. But right now I'm loving this. And it was so easy to put together. You just try to make things, I think things look better asymmetrical. You know, some things taller on one side than the other side. And you just have fun with it. You just have so much fun. These are so fun to make, and they look so fancy too. And it really wasn't that fancy. This I think is a little too grungy, so I'm going to remove this and we'll find something else to put there. I'll be back. Here we go. I had this joy pick that came in, I think this came from Walmart. On the back, I mean, it's not much to look at. You could put some more stuffing in here if you want. Maybe we'll throw a little bit more in there. Just to kind of fill it in. But this really isn't going to be looked at from the back. I am going to probably keep it over here. This will be where it goes. But, I mean, look at how nice. And it's so cute. And you could bend things, like if this is too tall, you could maybe move it around a little bit. If you're one of those people that doesn't like asymmetrical and you need something in the middle, you could put something taller in there. Here, let me show you an example. I've had these poinsettias, again, for years, for Michael. So you can always, if you want to put something back there to add a little whimsy, you can take down, put them there. Now I'm not going to do, I don't know, maybe I will do that. Let me see here. Now that we're playing with it, we might have unexpected addition to this. I do kind of like these poinsettias back there. What do y'all think? Too much? Is it too much? Oh, we're covering the gingy. We don't want to cover our gingy. I don't know. What do you think? I don't know. Now I'm kind of liking the poinsettias in there. I wasn't planning for that. But see? You know what? I really love it. I do. Look at that. And look at how fast I made that. The hardest part is what you want to do before you do anything permanent. And the nice thing with picks and floral foam is we really didn't glue much in here, so you could just pick things out and restart. But I always like to arrange something and then take a picture. And I actually arranged this and took a picture, but I ended up altering it a little bit anyway from what my original picture was. But it's always good to take a picture, and you could just mess around with it. My camera keeps going crooked. I'm sorry, peeps. But yeah, look at how nice that is. That'd be beautiful on a table. I'm actually going to keep this here.